Okay, I just want to share how I implement how to change the weapon image as the player pick up the weapon. Okay, we have a weapon UI. We created a UI for the weapon. We need to get this image to change. So as we can see, we can make changes to the sprite. We need somehow to have access to this weapon image. So I created a script that contains an image. So I can drag that image to here. This weapon image has the source sprite. I call this sprite changer. Basically, this is the class sprite changer. It has public image, and I make it singleton, so this class can be accessed anywhere for the project. Make it easy. I implement it under player controller. As the player pick up weapon, it should change the image. So I created a function, change weapon UI. I want to make it a private. And before I create this, we have a data scriptable object on the weapon status. It's a scriptable object. So this contains all the information, the data, what's on the weapon status. So I added the public sprite. This will give the images, the sprite images for each weapons. So rifle 1, I select this one, 2. You can put any images that you like for that weapon. That's the scriptable objects for each weapon. It contains the data of the picture. So as we switch weapons, it will trigger. On the scriptable object, if you look, there's object model, and there's a name. That's the model name. So I'm checking if the gun list name matches with that rifle, the rifle model name. We're gonna call that sprite changer instant. It change weapon sprite to change the sprite. Basically, I'm just calling that singleton. So if the next one comes, change that. The next one comes, change that to this. And this function is being called when the player is switching the weapons. So I put it under change weapon, change gun. So this is where it trigger. Let's run it. As you can see, the weapon right, it's changed. So as I scroll to change the weapon, it changed the UI, the sprite. That's how the image got changed. Okay, that's about it. That's how I make the UI can be changed.